How to modify the key length by the Tank CNC key cutting machine. First of all, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth switch. Generate key type. Click Modify key. Select Modified length. The key tip is wide. We should select wide. Here we have to input the distance that we need. Let's measure the original key, 1900, and then let's measure the key blank, 2260. 2260 minus 1900 equals 360. Here we input the extra length, 360. If it's ready, please install the key blank. Finally, click Cut. We already cut the extra distance. Both of them have the same length.